I'm working on a new project here, a Firkin, and it looks like this. I've modeled this after a one of these that was in our house when I was growing up. My mother had this Firkin and had a picture of it so I could put it into SketchUp and detail it. So I've just started this project and I'm building the staves. There are 12 staves, and the staves are like this. There is a taper from bottom to the top, and then there's an angle looking down at the top of the staves. You can see the 75-degree angle in this case. And so I cut all the pieces and marked them out and did the shaping and the angles. And here are the 12 in a row. And you can see here that I made a mistake and have the bevel on the wrong side, so that the groove for the bottom, all of these, I made the groove when the stave was perpendicular, not shaped and not angled. So when I did the shaping, I did it on the wrong side, obviously. So I have to replace this stave. And I've got a blank piece here and want to show you how I go about creating these angles, tapers. And here's the groove on that side. So this is the outside of the stave, which is the big template. So I just made templates from SketchUp, and the outside I can just draw a pencil line on that taper. I also made templates of the top and bottom. Here's the bottom template, and here's the top template. And so even though I don't need all of these, I did it anyway. So I marked out the shaping here on the bottom. You can see these pencil lines here. And then I also used the top template to mark out up here. And of course the top is not as wide because of the taper. So I've got those marks as well, not just the pencil lines on the face. And then I also have the template for the inside of this, and it goes about like this. And I can just, again, oops, don't want to follow the grain of the wood, I want to follow the template. So that goes all the way down there. Now, what I do next is use the bandsaw. I set the bandsaw at the 75-degree angle, and I cut on the bandsaw, I slice at the pencil line, and then that ends up cutting back to this line here, almost. I leave a little bit of fat, and then I use a hand plane to finish off that bevel. So I'll just go ahead and bandsaw this, and then come back later and show you how I do the hand planing.